Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding one of your videos to a playlist on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate to your TikTok profile. So just select your profile icon at the top right once you're on your profile and select Creator Tools. Select where it says View Analytics. Select Posts on the left side. And then locate the post you want to add to a playlist. So go ahead and just select the little edit button next to that post. Where it says add to playlist, click on the dropdown and you can select an existing playlist or you can create a new playlist. And then once you're done, you would scroll to the bottom of this page, select save, and that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.